All right, welcome back. So this reading is for all the people born on the 7th, the 16th, or the 25th. As long as your date of birth, when you add it up, it comes to one digit, which is 7. This is the reading for you. Let's see how your September is going to be like. What can you expect? What things are changing in your September? So the first thing is lots of worries. So somebody is having sleepless nights. This card is usually called the 3 a.m. card. So you are restless, you are, there's anxiety, you're worried about something. Or maybe you're frustrated about something. Let's see what is going on. And then we have the Nine of Pentacles. It seems like somebody is maybe, frustrated that all the hard work that they are doing is not getting the result that they need. Maybe you have been, doing a lot of hard work. Maybe you're manifesting something and it's not coming true, which is what is giving you, lots of stress. You want something. I think it could also be, a progression in career that you want but you're not getting it, but it's something you have been manifesting and you really desire, but it's just not coming to you. And then we have the King of Swords. There seems to be, somebody with a strong air sign that seems to be, interrupting the flow of things going on. Either you yourself could be an air sign. If you are not, an air sign, there's possibly somebody else, could be your boss. But so far from what I see is, the situation seems to be more like career related, but it could also be, something else, but there is worry of some kind. And then we have Seven of Swords. So somebody is doing, somebody is manipulating the situation. I think definitely this is going towards your career. Something is going on in your career. I don't know why I'm getting a strong feeling. So, you're worried, you're trying very hard, you've had the patience, you are trying like really from the bottom of your heart, you're doing all the hard work, but somebody seems to be, not letting you pass through, not pushing, not helping you push through. So somebody is trying to be manipulative. There could be gossip at workplace, or somebody doesn't want to see you, succeed. And then we have the Hierophant. Yeah, there's a possibility, somebody is, you know they are trying to come up with new rules, they're trying to come up with, new structures, new restrictions for you, so that you can't do something like, so you can't move ahead with the Hierophant cards, especially, with these corresponding cards. What else do we have? Then we have the Knight of Cups. So I think a good news will probably come towards you, but it's just not the time yet. Like, it's going to take a while, you have to go through all this before that good news comes to you. And then we have the Star. So definitely your dreams are coming true. I think you are going to get what you are seeking. So if you're seeking a promotion, you're seeking growth, I think that is coming. You just have to, pass through this stage. So hang in there for a little bit. And then finally we have the Knight of Swords. So I think once you get it, you are going to be super impulsive, and you are going to be, jumping up and down with all the happiness. So you are going to get, the result of whatever you're working on or whatever you want. Your dreams are going to come true, but you have to wait a little bit. I think this month your focus is on your career. For all the other people, who are seeking something love related, I think somebody is trying to interfere in your relationship, or you guys are not communicating well. Somebody is trying to, be a little manipulative, and trying to take. Yeah, somebody is trying to be manipulative. That's a lot of swords for a reading, and a lot of things are not being said, but rather they are going on in the head. So I do see that. I think you guys, majority of you could be married. So right now situation, especially from your married life, is not going as smooth as you expect, but things are going to change, things are going to improve. I think you've kind of lost yourself among, all the confusion and all the gossip, or all the family stress that is going on. You don't seem to find yourself, especially with this card. And then we have the Knight of Cups. So I think finally either you or your partner is finally, going to pay attention to this relationship, and somebody is going to move forward, there is going to be growth. I am sorry if you can hear that dog, that is my neighbor's dog. And yeah, well, let's see what we have from your romance angel. So deception. See, I told you somebody is trying to cheat. So someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. So somebody is trying to manipulate things, is trying to change things. And then I also see reconciliation. So somebody might be coming back. See, I told you, like, somebody will come back with the Knight of Cups. Somebody is going to come back. Somebody is going to start talking to you, especially for all those people, you know, with a love reading. And finances and career. See, financial issues are a factor in your love life right now, just like I told you. Majority, I think only two things are happening: either your focus is on your career 100%, and for the others, you know, especially who are married, I can't seem to sense any energy for my singles. Sorry, maybe you're too frustrated. You are manifesting something which is not the right time for you to manifest. But for the others, I think your focus is on finances. For the other half, if you are married, I think it's on, reconciling, or, coming back together with your partner. Let me know if your reading resonates, or what part resonates. I'll be happy to know. Thanks.